Namaskar everyone. Have a blissful day ahead. It's high time that we must rejuvenate the ancient and extinct Indian tradition of saying Namaskar. Superpower has turned out to be the most vulnerable creature. Hope you understand. Yes, unruly human beings who thought themselves to be above all are now exposed to the bitter truth about the existence and supremacy of nature. The present scenario clearly portrays the truth. COVID-19 has turned out to be the teacher who is teaching the chapter of coexistence and sustainable development. Future human resource is extremely worried due to the present situation, as the factories of human resource development are the worst sufferers. Yes, I'm talking about schools, which are not able to work the same way as they used to do 3 to 4 months back. DPS Haldwani Lamachor, enwrapped in serene and healthy atmosphere, is also trying its best to provide children with quality education despite lockdown due to the pandemic. Teachers of DPS Lamachor are industriously providing quality education to children during this tough time. Some teachers are teaching with the help of whiteboards and some with the help of PowerPoint presentations, which is a hectic and time-consuming schedule. Along with it, students are also getting written work in the form of PDF attachments, and their work is regularly getting assessed through video calls and WhatsApp. We are getting appreciation from parents and others for being strong during disastrous time. Thank you everyone for listening intently.
All real number except 1, because if you are going to put 1 here in the place of x, then the denominator becomes 0 and the function became indefined. ओके तो यहाँ पे इसका डोमेन क्या हो जाएगा r-1. इसी तरीके से हम और एग्जांपल लें, अगर हम फंक्शन क्या ले रहे हैं, सपोज 1/x -2, तो यहाँ पे इसका अगर मैं डोमेन की बात करूँ तो r-
62-63 according to your book. And first of all, before learning them, you should try to calculate how we will calculate the formula of dimension formula, how we will calculate the dimension formula.
Derivatives. Yeah. Phenol, we all know that phenol, this type of structure having one OH in benzene is called phenol. That means the C6H5
to
and
complete
OH.
its life cycle, and this aspect is important for the research, because if we are going to do any research, if the duration or if the life cycle will be short, what will happen? We can get more and more result in the short span of time. Otherwise, it will take so much time.
Consumer is an economic agent who consumes goods and services for satisfaction of his wants. Consumer कौन होता है? Consumer is a person who consumes goods and services. Okay? If I want something,
and it is spread across 32 kilometers square. About Andaman and Nicobar, it is believed that this is the land which is elevated mass of submarine mountain. About
The resources can be into 2 ways in our environment: natural resource and man-made resource. The resources which are present naturally in our environment, we do not do any kind of efforts to create.
ax plus by equals to a square plus b square. Let me say this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 is not proper, so we have to take the LCM. A and B, AB is the LCM.
Means
so
real
let me
means
calculate.
where the particles are loose, the particles are far away from each other, so like air. And when the light is moving from air to the denser medium is your glass. The particles are closely packed. So when the light is moving from rare to the denser medium, the light is bending towards the
pure. This milk is pure. But is it really pure? In this chapter, we will read about pure and impure substances. When we generally say that this thing is pure,
Here we have studied coordinate geometry chapter number 3. Now we are starting at chapter number 4. Chapter number 4 name is linear equations in two variables. What are the linear equations? When the highest degree of a polynomial
I have told you that what is the meaning of the agricultural practices. Agricultural practices means the steps which farmers take
face value into position value. An example I have shown you in screen. As you can see there, a number is written 48365. So I mentioned there ones, tens,
कक्षा
hundred,
11वीं के समस्त
thousand,
विद्यार्थियों को
10,000.
हिंदी पठन पाठन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज मैं कक्षा 11वीं के विद्यार्थियों के लिए
An advertisement is different from other types of marketing because it is paid for, and because the creator of an advert has total control over the content and the message. It means advertising agencies are there who
methods. So here we have our length method. The length method will return the length of a tuple, means the total count of element in a tuple. Its syntax is len tuple, where t equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have print len t.
The Olympic flag was created and designed by Para de Coubertin himself. He created Olympic flag, which is of a milky white texture in the background with 5 interlinked rings of different colors.
To work for the welfare of the members. So there are 6 types of cooperative societies, which are Consumers Cooperative Society, Producers Cooperative Society, Cooperative Marketing Society, Cooperative Credit Society,
All
Cooperative
matter
Farming
was
Society,
in the form of tiny ball, singular atom with small volume, infinite temperature and infinite density. About 13.7 billion
Robert Lee
years ago,
Frost was born
the
on
tiny
26 March 1874 in San Francisco, California. He was an American poet and known for his depiction of rural life of New England, his command of American colloquial speech, and his realistic words portraying ordinary people in everyday situations.
So why it
Nature
is important?
is a dominant
It is
subject
important
in this
because it provides sufficient time for oxygen to be absorbed and for CO2 to be released. क्योंकि ये ऑक्सीजन को अब्जॉर्ब होने के लिए सफिशिएंट टाइम प्रोवाइड करती है एंड ड्यूरिंग ब्रीदिंग साइकिल व्हेन एयर इज टेकन इन एंड लेट आउट द लंग्स।
कक्षा 8 की दीवानों की हस्ती कविता पढ़ेंगे जो कि भगवती चरण वर्मा द्वारा लिखित है। तो शुरू करते हैं। कविता के साथ साथ मैं आपको इसका अर्थ भी समझाती रहूंगी। हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती।
Sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked downward as far as I could, to where it bent in the
user instruction to complete a specific task or to solve a specific problem on the computer. So, as I am a teacher,
in this
I am giving you
video,
instruction.
you will learn solution of equations reducible to the linear form. So, now we will start exercise 2.6. Solve the following equations. So first equation we have given
we are going to learn today?
8x upon.
Come on, I'll tell you. Today we are going to study class 6 NCERT English book, first poem, that is A House and a Home. Now kids, in this video I'm going to explain you the
Next movement which I am going to discuss with you, it is the Silent Valley movement. Okay, it was a social movement launched to protect an evergreen tropical forest in the
Palaghat district of
दो से
Kerala.
अधिक व्यंजन
Okay?
मिलते हैं
It started
तो वो
in
क्या बनाते हैं? संयुक्त व्यंजन। अब जैसे आप चित्र में देख रहे हैं, स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं कि क और उसके नीचे हमने हलंत लगाया है, आधा क प्लस श, तो क्या बन गया? क्षत्रिय
Let's
वाला।
discuss it. The part of the leaf that attaches to the stamp is called the leaf stalk. The part of the leaf that is attaches to the stamp is called the leaf stalk.
Shooting with a
And
bow
then
and an arrow immediately at once without taking much time. Target the aim of an attack, defending to protect from harm or danger. Steer
Who
to
is
look
he?
with
Let's
fixed
see. Oh, he is a Aryanath. Aryanath wants to tell his own story. Let's see what he want to say.
का अर्थ होता है छोटा।
I am Aryanath.
दूसरा शब्द है फनकार।
I am a snake charmer.
फनकार का अर्थ होता है कलाकार। संगत रास, संगत रास का अर्थ है पत्थर को तराश कर कुछ बनाने वाला या पत्थर को काट कर उसमें विभिन्न प्रकार की कलाकृतियां बनाने वाला, उसको संगत रास बोलते हैं।
I'm shaking it so that it gets completely dissolved in this water.
Self number.
And we can
Suppose
use
I'm
it
going to
for-
take example of 5. 5 have only two factor 1 and it's itself 5. And composite number, a number that has more than two factors, that is for example 25, 36, 36 having 1, 2,
Robin
3, 4,
eggs are
6.
light blue. So children, don't you find this bird very beautiful? Yes, I know you find it very beautiful. So children, let us read the poem
Let's
and
start.
understand
Our
what the
first
Robin
topic
and Jay
is
are.
multiplication with specific numbers. Inside this topic, the first part is multiplication with 11. So, we will learn today the maths trick to multiply any number by 11 in our
आज
head.
हम EVS का फर्स्ट चैप्टर करेंगे जिसका नाम है इंट्रोड्यूसिंग माई सेल्फ, मीन्स अपने बारे में बताना। ओके, सो हाउ डू यू कॉल योर फ्रेंड्स? देखो इसमें क्या लिखा है, आप अपने दोस्तों को कैसे बुलाते हैं?
things together. This sign is called plus sign. ये साइन को हम क्या कहते हैं? प्लस साइन। एडिशन को हम और क्या क्या कहते हैं? ऐड, जॉइन, सम, इन ऑल। लेट्स सी इट विद एन एग्जांपल व्हाट इट
कुछ पत्ते कतरीले तो एक पत्ते का डंठल एकदम सीधा, कुछ पत्ते मुलायम हैं तो कुछ एकदम कठोर। बच्चों, कुछ पत्ते तो ऐसे भी होते हैं जो एक तरफ से मुलायम और दूसरी तरफ से कठोर होते हैं।
We read the poem after my bath, and in this video we will answer some questions about the poem. Put a circle around what you do after a bath. To answer this question, I will read the two
Story
given
about
options
three
and I will
friends.
think about.
Once they tried to cross the river. Let's see what happened. Once upon a time, there lived a bubble, a straw,
सोई
and a
सोई
shoe.
एक रात
बहुत
में
समय पहले।
एक रात में सोई सोई मैं एक रात में सोई हुई थी, रोई एकाएक बिलक कर रोई। अचानक से मेरी नींद खुलती है
So how many are there?
और
1,
मैं
2,
बिलक
3,
रही
4, 5. So we will write 5. How many chickens are there in all? Now we will count how many total are there. 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 plus 10
If I were a manna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wiggle and
in
wiggle
different
with
things
glee.
to make them work. हम हवा का यूज़ बहुत सारी चीज़ों में करते हैं ताकि वो काम करने लायक बने। फॉर एग्जाम्पल टायर्स ऑफ बाइसिकल्स, कार एंड स्कूटर्स।
How much you have learned. What is the capital of Punjab?
Yes, Chandigarh is
Solar
the
system
capital
is
of
divided into two words. Solar is simply a word that means sun, or using the energies of the sun. System
The moral of the story is
is a collection of
your mind is also like that. When it is disturbed, just let it be. Give a little time, it will settle down on its own. You don't have to put it any effort.
Early in the morning. After completing the pranayam, we do palming on our eyes. We rub our hands, make our palm warm, and bring our hands to our eyes and gently bring our hands down. Again, we do it.
The ball with one hand while moving both feet. प्लेयर को बॉल ड्रिबल करना है जब वो बॉल के साथ मूव करता है. If any time both hands touch the ball or the player
There are
stops
6 major fundamental skills in volleyball. So the first is service. The rally starts with service and it is your first opportunity to score the point.
He played one, he played knick-knack on my drum with a knick-knack, paddywhack, gave a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two, he played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, gave a dog a bone.
I will play
This old man came
तीन ताल basic ठेका and कायदा ठा दुगुन चौगुन दिन दिन धा धा दिन दिन धा धा दिन दिन